For a handful of years it's been rumored that Apple may be working on a foldable iPhone, which has been unofficially dubbed the iPhone Flip by some. As the iPhone Flip sits on the sidelines, plenty of other brands are causing the competition for the best foldable phones to heat up. Although things are quiet on the iPhone Flip front, that doesn't mean there isn't movement happening in the background. So where is Apple with their foldables? Let's find out. According to Ming-Chi Kuo, the initial foldable iPhone is anticipated to feature an expansive 8-inch display, surpassing the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which unfolds to a 7.6-inch screen. This potential screen size is also nearly on par with the 8.3-inch display of the iPad mini. Another source suggests a collaboration between Apple and LG for a 7.5-inch OLED foldable display panel. In addition to these details, Kuo's latest report mentions Apple's experimentation with a 9-inch foldable display, significantly larger than any existing foldable phones. Kuo has proposed the use of color e-ink displays for the external screen of foldables. While not as responsive as LCD or OLED panels, this choice could contribute to lower battery consumption. Interestingly, a patent hints at a self-preservation feature for the iPhone Flip. In the event of a drop, the hinge is designed to initiate mid-drop, altering the phone's balance and preventing the screen from making direct contact with the ground, minimizing potential damage. As per John Prosser, Apple has explored two variations of the iPhone Flip. One model resembles a fold-out book-style hybrid tablet, similar to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series or the recently revealed Pixel Fold. The other design is a clamshell flip phone, similar to the Galaxy Z Flip range. While insider information suggests that Apple is leaning towards the clamshell design, it's important to note that the development process is still in its early stages, leaving room for potential changes. Additionally, patent filings shed light on features Apple is contemplating for its foldable devices, including alternatives to the clamshell design for future devices. Let's Go Digital has presented an alternative concept design for the iPhone Flip, incorporating a reduced notch and an external cover display alongside the folding screen. In a video shared by Concepts iPhone, another iPhone Flip concept is showcased, resembling an Apple iteration of the Galaxy Z Flip. This design boasts a smaller notch compared to the iPhone 14, although lacking the dynamic island found in the iPhone 14 Pro, a 120Hz display, and an in-screen Touch ID sensor. Notably, the concept envisions the inclusion of an M1 chip, a notion that might seem ambitious. However, considering Apple's current use of the M1 silicon in the iPad Pro and iPad Air, the possibility of seeing it in a high-end phone instead of the typical A-series chip cannot be ruled out. Answering the question of the foldable iPhone's price is particularly challenging due to the limited foldable iPhone rumors available and the indication that the iPhone Flip might have a delayed release. The cost of the device will largely hinge on Apple's approach to its design. To illustrate, the Galaxy Fold initially launched at $1,980, featuring a 7.3-inch tablet-like display when unfolded and a smaller 4.6-inch panel on the exterior. Just 6 months later, the Galaxy Z Flip hit the market with a more vertically proportioned 6.7-inch screen coated in ultra-thin glass, priced $600 lower. This pricing trend has persisted with the latest Galaxy Foldables, where the Z Fold 4 launched at $1,799 and the Z Flip 4 at $999. If Apple chooses a smaller and more affordable foldable design, the phone's cost may not differ significantly from premium handsets like the $1,099 iPhone 14 Pro Max. However, If the foldable iPhone aims to function as a phone that transforms into a tablet, akin to the Galaxy Z Fold 4, there's a possibility that the price could surpass that of Apple's conventional smartphones, potentially reaching or exceeding the daunting $2,000 mark. So that was all about Apple's first foldable phone. Are you excited about it? We sure are. Let us know your expectation in the comments below.